In today's video, I'll show you how to fix phone verification failed on Craigslist. First, open your browser and go to craigslist.org/contact. On the page, click Phone Verification. Then choose the option related to your concern. For example, click I have entered my number but have not received a code. You will see more details about phone verification on this page. It explains that the verification code may take up to 5 minutes to arrive. It also states that phone verification is only available in the United States, Canada, Australia, and the United Kingdom. In addition, phone verification may not work with some prepaid mobile numbers or non-fixed VoIP numbers. If you still haven't received the code after 5 minutes, scroll down and click Contact Us. Then fill out the required fields such as your name, email address, subject, description of the issue, and your phone number. Once everything is complete, click Send to submit your message. And that's it! That's how you fix phone verification failed on Craigslist.